Add WhatsApp number to your page on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add WhatsApp number to your page on Facebook app, easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there, click on your page, click on the setting icon beside the search icon and choose the option number 2, which is page info. Scroll down and you're gonna find add WhatsApp number on the contact option. Click on it. Here you can connect WhatsApp to Facebook by enter the WhatsApp number to your page. Then check your WhatsApp message for a confirmation code. If you are done, just click on save, and this is it, easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.